Have you ever wondered why rich people seem to get richer every year? It's not because they work harder. It's because they make their money work for them. Most people work for money. They earn a salary, pay their bills, and spend what's left. The cycle repeats every month. Wealthy people think differently. Instead of spending all their income, they buy assets. Assets are things that can increase in value or generate more income. For example, stocks, real estate, businesses, or index funds. These assets continue working even while they sleep. Another secret is investing early. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Even a small amount invested every month can grow over time. The key is consistency. Rich people also avoid unnecessary debt. They don't buy expensive things just to impress others. Instead, they focus on things that create long-term value. They also never stop learning. They read books. They learn new skills. They understand how money works. Knowledge helps them make better financial decisions. One important lesson is this: don't wait until you have a lot of money to start investing. Start with what you have. Small steps today can lead to big results tomorrow. Remember, becoming wealthy isn't about getting lucky. It's about building good habits and staying consistent. Start saving. Start investing. Keep learning. And let your money work for you. Thank you for watching. This entire video, including the voice, video scenes, and subtitles, was created automatically using ZinAIStudio. With ZinAIStudio, you can turn a simple script or your own voice into a professional AI-generated video in just a few minutes. Visit ZinAIStudio.com to start creating your own videos today. See you in the next video.